Guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, you guys read the title. Yes, I spent $100 on a micellar water, so we'll be trying the cleansing micellar water from La Mer. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna actually smell it. It smells like alcohol mixed with like baby powder, and it's weird because there's like things floating in it, so I'm really confused. I don't know, should we swatch this? Let's just go ahead and swatch this product. Okay, so we are going to swatch the La Mer's micellar water. Ooh, hold on. So this is what the micellar water looks like. That is the soil texture of it. Just water, honey, just dripping. Okay, so the directions say moisten your hands with the cleansing water and just sweep all over your neck and face and make sure you release the miracle, bro. I'm just joking. Just playing. It actually does say moisten a cotton pad and sweep over face. Okay, so here we go. I am trying to moisten the cotton pad with a La Mer micellar water. And look at this, you guys. Literally, I have to shake it. That's a lot of work for a $95 product, La Mer. Why do I have to continue to shake? I was expecting for it to just easily come out of the spout, but I feel like I'm shaking more, so I've drenched the cotton pad. By the way, the directions do say drench it. So now we can sweep it over our face and neck. We are about to apply $100 micellar water, and we are going to see, does it remove dirt? Will I look like a filter with $95 micellar water? Oh my God, I feel like a filter. No, I don't. It smells like alcohol. Seriously, you guys, this literally smells like alcohol. You guys know seriously what this micellar water smells like? Have you ever been to a nail shop and you know in the nail shop how the chemicals are, oh my God, it's in my mouth. Oh my God, this is the worst thing possible. It tastes horrible. Oh my God, you guys, I cannot believe I had to rinse my mouth out. Oh my God. Oh my God. And I still taste the perfume in my mouth. Side note, before it got in my mouth, I literally was saying that this literally smells like a nail shop. If you've ever been to a nail shop, it smells like a nail shop, except with like a baby powder Victoria's Secret scent. That is what it smells. It didn't remove that much dirt, but it looked nasty. So now let's go ahead and see, will it remove the waterproof makeup? Okay, so here we go. I mean, really, La Mer, come on now. I'm not gonna drench it too much because I don't need it in my eye, and then this video will be a wrap if I get it in my eye. So let's go. So here we go. How do you guys remove water? Oh my God. Oh, I did not drench it, so hopefully it does not burn my, oh my God, my eyes is burning. Oh my God, I'm scared to open. I didn't even drench it and I'm burning. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, you guys, so after the catastrophe with the micellar water in my eye, I didn't even use that much, you guys. Like, I used just a little bit. It's not even drenched at all. See? And my eyes are burning. So what I am going to do is try to get as much of the mascara off my eyelashes and pray for a miracle. But right now, my eyes are on fire. That's all I have to say. So I want to show you guys the video. I mean, look what he's doing. Look it.
And then we're going to flip the applicators so we have a new side to work with. We're going to sweep from the center of the face to the outside of the face, just to the hairline. Getting the skin absolutely clean every step.
Okay, so I just want to say this. Did you guys see how he was getting waterproof makeup off? So I'm confused because her skin has no makeup on. So is this supposed to be for waterproof makeup? Because I literally had to use 5 of these, and still the waterproof mascara is not off my eye, and I used the front and back of both, and I only used a few drops, and it made my eyes literally burn. So I'm really confused. I am gonna go ahead, wait 5 minutes, let the micellar water seep into my skin because it feels damp, a little bit damp, but it feels sticky at the same time. So I'm gonna wait and then we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so we're back. The micellar water has dried down. It dried down very oily, very sticky, but I am going to go ahead and do a close-up. So this is what my skin looks like with the micellar water. You guys see how red my eye is? Oh my God, that micellar water. Do not use it to take off eye makeup. No mascara, no eyeshadow. Bless your heart if you are, girl. You must be immune to that alcohol burning your eyeball. Just leave that alone. Here is this side of my face. Here is the other side of my face. Here is my forehead. I mean, you know, I look like someone socked me in the eye, or like I'm about to get bruises in my eye. Like I got a real bad raccoon look going on. After this video, I'm gonna have to get a gentle skin cleanser and some caffeine eye cream. I got a lot of work to do after this botched product, but you know what? Let's talk about it. You know what I could have bought? Sonomi could have got a toy. I could have got, you know, some vitamins. You know, man, my mega food vitamins is about $30-$45 for 90 pills. I could have got some more vitamin D, some B12 chewables. I could have bought groceries. I could have went to Chick-fil-A and got like 6 sandwiches if I wasn't on a diet and cranky here all the time. I mean, you know, I could have got gas for $55. I could have bought tires for my bike. I could have paid the light bill. I could have paid for Instagram ads. I could have paid for YouTube ads for $55 because I already know this video ain't gonna get no views. I can't believe I wasted my money on this cleansing water. We have a lot to talk about. I don't even know where to start. I will say this product is not for combination oily skin. I think it's really only for baby dry skin because the product dries down very oily, very sticky. So it's not refreshing. I don't know where they come up with the idea that it's refreshing. This is not a refreshing micellar water. And how dare you, Lemaire? I was expecting something to be very airy, lightweight, very refreshing and just cooling. This is sticky. The residue is greasy on your face. So if you have dry skin, I think you'll love it. However, it does smell like alcohol. The fragrance is too high and it literally was burning my eye out. Like literally, I have like a black ring around my eye like someone hit me. Oh my God, I am very, very, very upset, Lemaire. Very upset. And some of your products I like. I can't believe this was a mess, y'all. Seriously, Lemaire, I don't even know what to say or what to do. I'm kind of really disappointed. I think some people will like it. I really don't know. I really don't know. I really think it's for people. Okay, so let me just say this to give this a benefit of the doubt. Who would really love this? I think people with dry skin who are into Victoria's Secret. They love fragrances in their skincare. I think you would love this. But if you are looking for something that's refreshing and cleansing, I don't think this is refreshing or cleansing because it literally feels like you have a sticking coating on your face. And then I'm totally confused on, because is this the first step or the second step in the cleansing process? If this is the first step in the cleansing process, then I'll say, okay, this is understandable. But if this is the second step in the cleansing process, you guys have a long way to go. For people who are really not into using water or minimum waste and they decide to use use this. I think this, if this is a second step in the cleansing process for them, this is going to be a nightmare, because then after you add your oils, serums, and moisturizers, there's going to be product built up from that, and you are going to get gunk. Like literally, I could rub my face right now and I could literally feel the peeling and the product coming off. Like, oh my God, it's coming off white. So I need to know what process this micellar water belongs in the cleansing process for me to really give it a thorough review. Hold on, let me see. Okay, so apparently on the La Mer website, I went to La Mer website for this product. Apparently there's no need to rinse it. So this is actually a second step in the cleansing process. I don't know if it is the second step in the cleansing process. It is a horrible second step, because this is gonna cause product built up like you won't believe. Like literally, it is already peeling. Like I'm getting little flakes. People with combination skin, I think you should be careful. You have very oily skin, you have acne, I don't think this is the product for you. I think this will really flare up your acne, and if you are a person who is prone to blackheads, I could see you having a breakout from it. Girl, you may have to go do a chemical exfoliation after this mess. But you know, I think dry skin will love it. I think they should have marketed this product for dry skin specifically. With that being said, those are my thoughts on this. I'm not wild. I can't believe I spent $100 on a micellar cleansing water. Man, say you guys, let me know your thoughts on the comments down below. Do you like this La Mer micellar cleansing water? Have you ever tried it? What is your skin type if you did try it? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah!